Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make good buffalo chicken dip. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked chicken, which you can shred for the best consistency. Cream cheese, a key component, provides that creamy base. Don't forget your favorite buffalo hot sauce for that signature kick, and some ranch or blue cheese dressing to balance the flavors. These simple items are the foundation of a fantastic dip. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, soften your cream cheese to make it easier to blend. Add your shredded chicken, hot sauce, and your choice of ranch or blue cheese dressing. Stir everything together until it's thoroughly combined and smooth. For an extra layer of deliciousness, fold in about 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. This step ensures every bite is packed with flavor and a wonderful creamy texture. Once your dip is perfectly mixed, transfer it into a baking dish. Pop it into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it's bubbly around the edges and slightly golden on top. Let it cool for a few minutes before serving. This dip is fantastic warm, paired with crunchy tortilla chips, crisp celery sticks, or your favorite crackers. Enjoy your delicious creation. Want to customize your buffalo chicken dip? Try swapping out some cheddar for Monterey Jack or pepper jack cheese to add a different flavor profile or a little heat. A sprinkle of fresh green onions or chives on top before serving adds a lovely pop of color and freshness. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which can upgrade your clean game, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.